Hello, my super babies. Jupiter, hello, my super babies. Okay, she doesn't want to say now. Hello, my super babies. Welcome back to my channel after a really, really long time. And today I want to show you all the special moments of my life in the past few weeks, months. So, my daughter turned 2 on 3rd August, but the preparations for this birthday was going on from a while. Like, me and my husband like to pre-plan everything and do it systematically. In fact, pre-planning and everything, I give the credit to my husband because he likes to pre-plan everything. So we were deciding first where to have Chubu's second birthday. So it's in August. She's a monsoon baby. We cannot go abroad. We thought we'll go abroad, but where to go? Where the flights will get cancelled, all that. And thank God we did not go abroad. Thank God we cancelled that plan. Second option was to go to Kerala again. She celebrated her first birthday in Kerala at my husband's place. So we thought we'll go again for the second birthday also there only. In fact, I told my husband I want to do it in Kerala. I want her to be with her grandparents and let's celebrate it there. We don't have to do it as lavishly we did in the first time. We can do it simple also. But then suddenly Praveen changed plans and he was like, let's do it in Mumbai. Why not? Like, first time we had it at his place, so second time can't we have it at your place? He asked me and I was like, okay, before we confirm it, let me just ask my cousins whether they're going to be available. Now, most of my cousins are in Pune. So I was like, let me ask them whether they can come for a birthday, whether my niece and nephews have exams or whatsoever. Once we get confirmed, then once we get full confirmation, that time we will finalize it. So I had gone to Pune to meet my other cousin, and we confirmed with everyone and everyone was excited. See guys, now there is something called as being invited, like हाँ देखता हो, or coming up with all lame excuses. And there is some people who are really excited for you. They're excited in your excitement. And that's what I experienced from few of my cousins. And I was like, oh my god, I'm like, I told Praveen, let's confirm it, let's keep it for Mumbai. So that's when our plan started. We went for shopping. We started planning the return gifts first, what to give, who to give, what to give, and it was so special. I wanted, like, I'm just saying, I wanted everything to be super special. Okay, when she grows up, she will have glimpses of what all we did. Her mother, her father, and her grandmom. She will have those memories in the form of videos and reels and shorts. We have so many options right now. So I was really, really excited. So we started with the return gifts. So my mom wanted to give few return gifts from her side, and I and Praveen some from our side. So we started off, and everyone from my cousin section had confirmed they're coming, and we started off that way. So mom wanted to buy pashmina shawls for my the ladies of the house, for my best friend and for the cousins, for my best friend and for my aunts and sister-in-law and everyone. So that section was done. Now I wanted my return gifts to be really special. Okay, let's go into it. So I and Praveen discussed all our favorite skin cares and body washes and toothpaste, and you'll get to see all that in some time. And our return gifts were exclusive. I'll just put it somewhere right now, and I'll do a voiceover. So here is a glimpse of some of the products we put in the giveaway. There is a soap in the shape of a donut, popsicle, a favorite brand of toothpaste, and my husband is obsessed with sunscreens. Even my favorite rose water and face packs, which I love, which he loves, and he's obsessed with sunscreen. So there is a lot of sunscreens in each packet, and a lot we literally looked into each product we're giving. ऐसे ही हम लोग दिया नहीं है. This is my favorite body wash which I use completely during my pregnancy and even right now. This is cotton candy. I've never loved cotton candy so much. So many flavors. This is the shawl which my mom got, and again repacking someone else's packet return gift. This is godparents Ishanka's godparents parcel, which has a photo with her and with all of them like a collage. And again, lots of products as usual. In a different packet, we even give snacks. This Praveen got from Hyderabad from a guy who makes Rajasthani snacks, which was delicious. I didn't want to do custard. I didn't want to give the return gifts to someone like just for the heck of it and let them customize it and make it. I wanted to take efforts and I wanted to give my personal touch. So it was everything about that. And then last, like about a month prior to the birthday, one of my relatives said we can't come because of rains. तो rains तो है भी नहीं. Means like how do you know 1 month बाद rains आने वाली है? So a lot of lame excuses started coming, which I'm not going to tolerate. I'm that kind of mother who's not going to tolerate bullshit excuses. Not only that kind of mother, I'm not that kind of daughter, I'm not that kind of human being. So chila last minute kuch hoga, I can understand if it's raining. So what happened, of course, on her birthday, it was raining crazily, superbly. It was raining. I really thought, like, I hope, I was praying. So I was praying very hard that her birthday should work well. Of course, it's 3rd August. Of course, Mumbai rains and anything can happen. I even kept the losses aside, but I wanted everything to be perfect. Of course, I wanted everything. I was praying hard that whoever has to come should come. Like whoever I've spoken to, I had sent the invitation cards to many who like a formality, and some of them came with lame excuses, and again some of them didn't even give any excuse. I nahi. But who I wanted, like Chubu's godparents and my other cousin sister, my best friend, because my best friend was the most excited for her birthday. She kept telling me she couldn't attend her first birthday. So second birthday she kept telling, babes, you please do it in Mumbai, please do it in Mumbai. And I was like, babes, I can't, I really don't know, okay, because we might have to go abroad, we might have to go to Kerala. Chubu, 2 minutes please. Let me just talk and then I'll get back to you. Please?
No, I cannot.
Please wait. She's hitting me. I'll give you, just wait. I have to remove the skin and give you. Please wait. I'll give you blueberries. Okay. My best friend was excited from the beginning. She kept telling me, babes, please have a birthday in Mumbai. And I'm not too sure whether I can do it or not. Because I have to think about other things also, like Kerala and everything. So I just said, babes, I can't say anything. But she was the most excited for her birthday. She kept telling me, like, please have a birthday in Mumbai, have a birthday in Mumbai. So when I told her finally we're having it in Mumbai, she was so happy. I was also happy. So my best friend, her husband, I wanted them to be for Chubu's birthday. That's how it went. And on 3rd August, on her birthday, in fact, उसके पहले भी बहुत सारा बारिश था. And on 3rd August, it was red alert or orange alert. My husband used to keep on, telling me. And I was like, oh my god, like, I just praying hard. But whatever food we ordered from this amazing restaurant, Arabian Darbar in Chembur, and we went there and tried their food also, which was good, very good. And I ordered really good cakes and designer cakes and bouquet. I'll just show it to you right now, then I'll talk about it. So she loves Tom and Jerry, okay? So her main cake was Tom and Jerry cake. It was in the flavor chocolate salted caramel. And then we had 6 cake sickles with edible Tom and Jerry prints. It was purple in color because Chubu's dress is purple. In the flavor Nutella hazelnut. Everything was done so beautifully, guys, and it was so delicious. Even the cupcakes, guys. The cupcakes had zoo theme and fondant on top. It was salted caramel and Nutella flavors. For the food, we had French fries, chicken nuggets, veg dahi kebab, hara bara cheese kebab, raan, chicken, pizza, prawns in 3 different flavors, garlic bread, mutton mandi, crispy lotus stem. Can you imagine this bouquet is also cupcakes in 3 different flavors: vanilla cupcake with salted caramel, chocolate cupcake with Belgium ganache, and red velvet with cream cheese filling. I had made 2 desserts, that is chocolate pudding. This has Nutella, this has Lay's, and this has a lot more goodness in it, which is really delicious. And this is Lotus Biscoff ice cream. Both turned out amazing. So much rains, maybe all the delivery was happening, and all my cousins started coming one by one. My best friend came. Unfortunately, my best friend was unwell before the birthday, and I was just praying, hey Bhagwan, Jesus, just protect her and heal her soon. And she happened to be there for the birthday. So it is so special, guys. Like, who we want, they will come. You can say contemplate or manifest. Huh? What happened? Blueberries are here. See? Blueberries. Here's my daughter. Tell hello. Hi. Puli. Oh, take another one. Take another one. Blueberries are puli. Puli in Malayalam it is, so it's sour. Puli? Not puli? Okay. So, who will, like when you manifest something and you contemplate, and other people are even jealous of it, God will not disappoint you. I had full bharosa. Jesus is going to be there, not going to destroy this. And everyone came. It was so exciting. No lame excuses, no bullshit. Everyone came. We had so much fun. I wish I could record. We had amazing games which we pre-planned everything. Guys, बहुत मेहनत जाती है. Decorations, everything takes lots of efforts, guys. From customizing certain things, from the whatever is there outdoor, everything. My mom, she pre-planned all that, the decoration part, and just told me to order this, that, and fill the balloons. Me and Praveen fill the balloons. We stuck a lot of balloons here, but now it's not there. We all three of us, me, Praveen, grandma, my mom, everyone took so much efforts. Of course my mom took more efforts. I was just doing the coordination and everything, who I had to speak to and bug their lives so that it reaches on time. But mom was the most hardworking in this whole scenario. Lots of pre-planning, lots of efforts, and it was such a blessing. Games we had, I wish I could give you a glimpse of it, but nobody recorded it and I was the host, so मेरे जैसे तो कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेगा तो I didn't have any footage about that. We had like three games. Two was pre-planned. One just happened to happen on the spot. So one was drum rolls where I put in chits, and we had kids and everything. I just put one adult chit in it, which my best friend's husband Ranjit got it. It was very funny. My voice is gone because of hosting and screaming. Next time I'm going to have a mic. It's just screaming so that everyone hears it. And it was so good, guys. I can't even tell you how good it was. Drum rolls was fun. Then we had general knowledge questions. Okay, so we divided everyone into three groups, 4 4 4, and I already pre-planned all the gifts and everything. Who gets what? And chocolates were there, and there's snacks as giveaways. What do you say? Gifts when you win a game. So we had the section of general knowledge. I wish I shouldn't. I should have kept that paper. Oh yeah, I threw it. So we had sections of like geography, history, Bollywood, science, a lot of like about 50 questions, and we had winners for that. It was too good. Then the next game we were thinking what to do. Then we had even passing the parcel. Yes, we had passing the parcel. That was so much of fun. I was the host. Just seeing everything is so much of fun and such a blessing, guys. Touch wood. It's just too good, like amazing. And then we had Chinese whisper. My sister-in-law talked about let's have Chinese whisper and let's do Chinese whisper, and we did Chinese whisper. And me being me, I changed everything into adult jokes maybe. It was so much fun. I didn't even know that a game existed like Chinese whisper, but it's amazing. And if you didn't know what's Chinese whisper, so I will tell a person something in their ear. It's a whisper. So if I say I want to become pregnant, so that was the first one I did, and that's the only successful one which everyone said properly. So I will tell the next person, and that person I can only say it once. So whatever the person hears, it goes on like this to everyone, and last me who's sitting this side of me will announce it what it is, and I have to say whether it's correct or wrong. So that was the only one which turned out proper. Other than that, everything else was bogus. Anyway, somebody, if I said some adult joke to my mom was next to me. My mom has to tell my sister-in-law. Then my sister-in-law has to tell her mother-in-law, and by then it changes. But because we can only say it once, okay, so you have to pick it up fast. By the time it reaches my nieces and nephews and all, it changes again completely. By the time it reaches here, it is something else only. It's not what I said. Hey, you can't say it.
ऐसे नहीं करना वो from between करके ग से गाओ ग से गाओ
शुगर और राइस सच है
पूरा नहीं याद आते
which one go
जैसे नहीं गाओ गीत गाता हूँ किससे
बस नाटक डोंट डू
गाना मैंने पूरा लिखा गाना याद नहीं ना से गाओ
ना करते प्यार तुम इसे
कर बैठे करना था इनकार
And it is fun. It is so much fun. Everyone loved our food, what we gave, and what we served, and it's too good, guys. Everything was a blessing. It was perfect. What I planned, what we wanted, everything just went as planned. Thank God. Thank Jesus. Oh my God. and everyone loved it. They loved the return gifts. They loved everything. तो बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बस ये एक बर्थडे हम even if we don't celebrate our birthday, we don't celebrate our anniversary, it's absolutely fine. Chubo has to celebrate her birthday superbly, बस. Whether it's in India, abroad or wherever, it has to be good. I'm so thankful and blessed to have such an amazing family, touchwood. My one cousin came and stayed in Mumbai. Another cousin also stayed in Mumbai from first to me. No one was near to my place. All was staying quite far. My mom's sister, who's a senior citizen, she also took the trouble to come. It meant a lot. I literally got emotional in the night, thinking everything went well and everyone just came, took the trouble, and I am grateful like throughout my life to them. Seriously. Unlike some people, for me, wishes matter a lot. Not even with for my birthday and my husband's birthday and my mother's birthday. It was there even for my dad's birthday. But now it is like a must. Like if you're close to my family and you don't wish my daughter, I do not appreciate it. I don't want to say anything else. I do not appreciate it. It might sound immature, but this is one. मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, simple. I have an issue. I want birthday wishes to come. I hate belated birthday wishes. And if you want to not be in my good books, you can like not wish me or my family and won't give me a belated birthday wish. I will not. I don't want it. So I know it sounds like crazy for some, immature for some, but I do not have any other irritating habits. This is one which I owe, which I want from the ones who are close to my family. And it's just a blessing to have, and thank you everyone who wished on the day of her birthday, and thank you everyone who came here. So I don't have words also, like I am grateful. So that's all I have to say. Thank you so much everyone. And if you watched it here, so thank you very much for watching this video. I wanted to let it out, like जो दिन में बताना ही है, क्योंकि I know everyone who gives the lame excuses will watch this video and they should know that you guys have hurt me and I'm not interested in you guys anymore. Like ऐसा ही है. That's how I am. I'm not that fake type who's going to look at you and smile and be in touch with you and behave normal. I just can't. I can't be diplomatic. My dad used to tell me, learn to be diplomatic. When he's not diplomatic, मैं कहाँ से diplomatic हूँ? वो खून में नहीं है. So I just can't be diplomatic. If I don't like someone, I don't like that person and that family, and make sure the person knows it. Like that's how it is. It can be bad, but I can't pretend. Oh my God, I love you. I know many people like that who pretend. Even when they don't like that person, they'll bitch about that person so much. Behind, सामने कुछ नहीं, सामने इतना मीठा ना. Like I'm like, how? ये talent कहाँ से आता है? Sometimes I wonder, can I do that? I don't want to do that. I feel like if you have an issue with someone, let that person know or don't keep that person in your life. Fake होने से, I don't know, I'm an overthinker. So even being sweet with them, I'll be thinking like, what am I doing? And I'll think about that. The best is to exit. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. I'm sure many of you all have watched till here.